In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom crashing on Windows. Crashes can be frustrating, and one of the most common causes is running an outdated Zoom app. The quickest, safest fix is to make sure you're on the latest version, because updates include bug fixes, performance improvements, and compatibility patches for Windows. I'll walk you through exactly how to check and update from within the app so you can get back to smooth, reliable calls. First, open Zoom. If it opens, great. That's all we need for this method. You can launch it from your desktop shortcut or by searching for Zoom from the Start menu. If it takes a moment, give it a little time. Occasional slow starts can happen, especially if Windows is finishing background tasks. If it simply won't open at all, this specific method won't be possible, but if Zoom does open, you're ready for the next part. Once Zoom is open and you're on the main window, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. This is the small circular icon that shows your avatar or initials. If you don't see it, try maximizing the Zoom window so the top bar is fully visible. Clicking that icon opens a small menu with account options and app controls. In the menu that appears, click Check for Updates. Zoom will immediately scan its servers to see if a newer version is available for your device. You might see a short progress indicator. This check is safe to run and does not disrupt any settings or your account. If you're already on the latest release, Zoom will let you know with an up-to-date message, and you can stop here knowing your crashes aren't caused by an outdated app. If an update is available, follow the prompt to install the latest version. The updater will download the necessary files and may ask for permission to make changes to your computer. This is normal for app updates on Windows. Keep the window open and allow the progress bar to complete. During installation, Zoom may briefly close and then relaunch on its own. If it asks you to confirm or continue, just accept the defaults. A stable internet connection helps this go smoothly. If the download pauses, wait a moment for it to resume. When the installation finishes, Zoom will reopen on the newest version. Try starting or joining a meeting to confirm everything runs more smoothly. Most crash issues caused by old builds are resolved immediately after updating. That's it. Open Zoom, click your profile picture, select Check for Updates, and install the latest version. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick update gets your Zoom running reliably again.